Here we have a Lamborghini Revuelto. We are actually helping Ryft release this bad boy right here. This is the first official Ryft Revolto. Gonna go over the kit here. This is a matte black car, but it does have the gloss carbon fiber Ryft package on it. We're gonna start with the rear spoiler here. As you can see, carbon, and it pretty much mimics the factory spoiler, except it's a little bit more aggressive, and it does have this other little trim here too, so you get like this. Makes it just look overall more aggressive, and you don't have to mess with any of the vehicle, you know, the motor of the wing, no airs, nothing. Get the engine bonded in carbon, as you can see. And then we have this diffuser, really nice addition on there. Again, this is kind of the OEM plus look. They are going to be doing a more aggressive version, wide body, whatever, but this is just kind of like an OEM plus quick, nice and easy body kit. Side skirts, which again, look almost like factory, but they're more aggressive. The door blades, I like how they have this slit in there, and then it like hugs the door. Really nice with the design and all. Really nice fenders right here. The Revolto fenders are very small, actually. Like literally, it's just this section. So it's hard to do, you know, different designs on them. But I think they did a really good job adding the carbon fiber vent. But this is kind of like elevated. So it's elevated, has a nice design to it. Obviously the hood, which is the main piece of the puzzle right here, carbon fiber throughout. It kind of has like the STO look. That's what Ryft has been doing on their hoods for the Lamborghini. Big old front lip, as you can see down there. Some other carbon fiber components that go on the bumper as well. Again, just to get that OEM plus look. It's got some crazy carbon fiber Ryft wheels on there as well. And it has the Ryft exhaust. So this is an all-out Ryft car, and we're proud to be able to show you guys more options for the Revolto. We have several other Revoltos here doing other brands, other projects. So again, RDB, here's all the brands. We are a master installer for all these brands. You could buy it from us, you could have it installed. You could ship your car from New York, like this Nero Nemesis one. This is getting a full Duke Dynamics body kit carbon fiber package. Over there we have a full 1016 wide body Revolto getting done as well. So a lot of Revoltos, a lot of Pro Songways, a lot of Cullinans, a lot of Phantoms. There's a lot going on here. We are your dealer for Ryft, 1016, Mansory, BRABUS, Duke Dynamics, you name it, Novatech, we do it, so hit us up.
What's the Force?
What is that from? Star Wars?
Yeah.
You like Star Wars?
Yeah, I like it.
Cool. Oh, that's cool. You kind of look like him.
Yeah, when I get old, I'm gonna look like that, huh? Maybe.
He's smart though. He's cool. I like Darth Vader.
Vader is a very good one too. I mean, is that one of the main guy, no?
Yeah.
That's the main guy, because before, like childhood and all that, he passed and become like a bad guy.
We did the service on this car, oil filter change, topped off fluids. Also, this car had a brake light on. We did that. It was low on brakes in the front and rear. So front brakes are new, rear brakes are new. And we have Javier make it to break it, going on a test drive to make sure everything's okay.
Don't run out of gas again.
Yeah, no gas. fucking car.
You see?
Remember when he ran out of gas?
Even
Like,
Javier owns a Cullinan.
Yeah. Nice car.
If I would have just went straight down, it would have broke.
That's it?
We're gonna do quick tints for this for now, and that's it. But there's more to come.
Put like a lot of pressure on one hand and like.
This shit actually, it's actually really hard to do.
You do it or no? Probably not. Like don't fall, because it's like hard. That's too far, bro. Go a little closer, okay?
Careful with this though, because
Put
it
two
bends.
hands first, and now go like back a little bit, okay? And now one hand has to go behind your back. Behind your back, one hand. Okay. Hard. Are you doing it?
Yeah.
Ah! It was very fucking good. Let's do it harder.
No, he has to go back more.
Okay, try it again. Try it again. Oh my god. Hard. Are you pushing really hard?
You have to go more at an
He
angle.
has to go more back.
More back.
Your
Almost
legs
like
have
you're
to
gonna
go
fall.
Yeah, you have to lean on this hand.
You have to lean on
Go
that.
more.
And put your one hand behind your arm. And then, are you leaning on this?
Yeah. He's not supposed to. Yeah.
He's supposed to.
No, he's supposed to think it's his head has to go in the.
It didn't work!
Let me see it.
That's bad.
Okay.
What are you replacing?
Everything.
Changing the rotor or what? Or the arm?
Yeah, the rotor, the arm. This one's broken too.
Ooh.
Yeah, you know.
You got hit bad, huh?
Yeah. Bad, man.
What is that?
It's knuckle. Look at this.
Damn.
Accident. 1, 2, 3.
Damn, that's broken.
Broken. Yeah.
What's up? How are you guys doing? What did we fix on this car? Because this car's opening weird. Let me see.
Arthur, what did we fix on this car?
The
What did
door,
we fix?
the door's like opening a little weird. Is that normal?
Which door? This one? Yeah, we didn't touch this door. Damage is in the back.
Car's back.
Put him the
Oh, you're putting carbon fiber?
the tip.
Ah, okay. Remember last week when I put the camera on your head when you were doing the shock? I put it in the video, and then everyone's like, "What happened with his hand? What happened with his hand?"
Oh, okay.
They want to know if you're okay.
I'm supposed to have an appointment this week,
Well, that's
but they
good.
changed it for the 10th. I have to go and see they're gonna remove it or what. It's just like back and forth.
Well, hopefully they can take it out.
Yeah, because everybody was wondering what happened.
Yeah,
How was supposed to work with this like this?
they care about you.
Oh, shit.
Look at this.
1, 2, 3 pieces at least.
Yeah.
This is waviness.
All the way here.
It's not factory.
Gone or?
No, what is it on? Don't say that.
What? Do you want to take the fenders out too?
No.
Do that?
Do you want to take the fenders out?
Up to you. You want to take it up? I can take it up.
Okay.
Well, for the
I mean, eventually we're gonna have to do the replacement. Eventually, yeah. We're gonna
Yeah,
have
for that, but I'm talking about
That's
for
what,
insurance.
for right now, just get the
Yeah.
reinforcement removed, and then I'll come back and I'll start marking things.
correct.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's my question.
Let's go. This is, I don't know what this is.